already been here, thanks for coming back. So in today's video, I am going to be doing this look for you guys.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things are not gonna easy.
So I just went ahead to use this to just cover my brows the way I know how to, and then I'm just going to use the brown tint pen to fill in like the end. So let's go to the next steps. I'm excited. I feel like I've never gotten my brows to look like this. I've never really like done. I tried it, but I didn't really like it. But now I think I'm actually like deep in like the look where everything is down. I'm going to do my lids with the e.l.f.
Right,
I'm just going to spray with this.
I'm using the 201 brush from BK Beauty.
Work. I have like 3 eyeshadow brushes. I've had it for like how many years now? She's dusting it all over her. So I'm not a pro when it comes to fixing my lashes, but I just try my best.
With you guys
so for my foundation, I'm going to use the e.l.f.
foundation. I have it in the shade DN5.
Or I have these are all my foundations. This one
looks perfect. This is
and this one.
Lightweight foundation. It is very lightweight. And
so I'm just going to try with this. Let me see how it comes out. I mean, I've tried this before, but I can't remember how it looks. So let's do this one. I applied too much foundation because it's so late in the night already. And I don't have strength for that at this point. I'm going to use this one for my bronzer. I'm using the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. So I changed it to the Real Technique brush. I just checked online I could use this.
Yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over, tasted and call me. Still got
already. This is what I have now.
I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jealous.
I'm going to blend out my concealer now.
You got something real love, babe. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurt.
I have a third one. Let me find. So I'm just going to try the purple one. I always use purple every time, but I'm not going to buy any new makeup until I figure out like everything I'm doing. So I'm just going to use this one. Messed everything up. I don't know why it's connecting. God, I don't know. I feel like one side is higher than the other.
So good.
So I'm just going to use this to set my under eye.
I'm going to be using this today, and I press this in with a
trust the process. Trust the process.
Use my sponge to blend any creasing that might have happened.
So we are coming with a force.
I'm kind of getting scared of the process because to me it's not like coming out well. I'm just going to use this brush. I don't even know what the number is. I don't even care at this point. So set the foundation. Why is this so brown here? But like it's not even blending properly. Oh my god. So this is what I have now. I don't know at this point because this side isn't even working. This brush isn't even working. Setting spray, Lani spray. I've never used this before, so I'm just going to open it. Yay! I'm so excited. So spray your face. I don't really have anything left in it, so I'm just going to add some water, or okay, let's just do this. I mean, I just make up things on the go, like, so I'm just going to use this. Then put this back in here. Get my money's worth. So, oh.
To set my face, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush.
So I'm going to set my face again. I'm going to do my lips. Honestly, this is like, okay, let's just go for the purple since we're just doing purple. To use the espresso lip pencil NYX. Let me just sharpen it. It started tearing off, but thankfully like nothing has, like, I just had to dab it like really softly. But like I feel like something is stuck in my eyes. Oh my god. Jesus. Line my lips. So I'm going to figure out what lip look I'm going. It looks good. I don't know how it looks on camera because I haven't even checked. So it might look terrible, like, I don't know. What I have. Let me just show you my lip looks. I used NYX Espresso. Then I went in with Butter Gloss and then Fenty Beauty.